Good afternoon, my darlings. My brain is made up of billions of neurons. I don't know about old Ron. He must be long gone. And you run, and you run.
That's it. Who is this guy?
Yeah! Oh my God.
Listen to the drum. I'm going to give you the drum quicker. So you might only have just got a suitcase and you're putting it down and sitting on it again. So it gets a little bit faster. Get ready? Go. Debbie's doing her thing.
Lawnmowers Independent Theatre Company is a company run by and for people with learning disabilities.
We're a theatre company that was set up in, what year was it? 1986?
Yeah, so 28 years.
Nearly 30, no,
29.
get your facts straight.
Thank you.
It's the best place to come. I wish I knew about it years ago.
How would we describe Lawnmowers? Well, I would say it's like a family. We always look out for each other.
It's always very welcoming.
Lots of characters.
And also a place of development and no barriers.
Incredible, beautiful and surprisingly varied work.
And Lawnmowers is a great place for people with learning disabilities to come.
Expand the brain, expand the brain, expand the brain, expand the brain.
There's always lots of things going on, often too many things at one time.
You got singing, drama, drumming, glasswork, the whole lot.
I think people think of it as kind of a home from home and a place where they come and do interesting activities, but they're very much treated as work.
It's frenetic and it's frantic and it's busy and bubbling with creativity.
I guess it's a little bit chaotic as well, but in a good way.
To be honest with you, I don't think we'd have it any other way.
If you'd like to find out more about the many projects we run at the Lawnmowers Independent Theatre Company, visit our website www.lawnmowerstheatre.com or call us on 0191 478 9200. You can find us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.